Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your Data Science Training Institute business. In an institute, managing registrations and sending project updates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for Data Science Training Institute. And before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general hi. And immediately our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Data Sprint Academy. I'm your assistant here to help you with everything data science. What would you like to do today?" And it has provided us 3 options, out of which I'm going to select the first one. That says explore courses. And our chatbot responds us with all the popular courses that we offer. Next, I'm going to select the second option that says register, and our chatbot is asking for email ID. So I'm going to provide a demo response as demoUser@gmail.com. Next, it is asking for course name, so I'm going to respond with course name such as Python for data analysis. And our chatbot responds us with, "We have added you in Python for data analysis course. Our team will get back to you with next steps." Lastly, I'm going to select project updates, and our chatbot responds us with all the student updates. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for Data Science Training Institute. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I have renamed it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Data Science Training Institute. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex can activate the chatbot with any given keyword, and for that we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex, and from here you can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message like this, and it will appear like this to the user. And here I've added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each one, so let's begin with explore courses. And for this, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the courses like this, and it will appear like this to the user. So now I'm going to move on to the next one that says register, and for this one I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to access the question box and drop it here. And here I'm going to take the details to register. Like this, first we are asking for email ID, so in the contact custom field I'm going to select email, and as format I'm going to select email. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. From here you can provide as many number of attempts as you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then we are going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to choose another question box, and here I'm going to take further details like course name. So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and the format I'm going to select text. Then I'm going to link it to the question box. Then I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this message which will appear like this to the user. And here we have added $name because it was our contact custom field, which will get replaced by the actual course name sent by the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for project updates, and for this I'm going to access text button again, and here I'm going to provide the updates like this. It will appear like this to the user, and this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for Data Science Training Institute. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.